How to fix Lloyds Bank card reader pin locked. If your Lloyds Bank card reader is pin locked, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Verify your PIN. Double-check that you are entering the correct PIN. The lock typically occurs after multiple incorrect PIN attempts as a security measure. Use an ATM. Some users have successfully unlocked their card by using it at an ATM. Try using your card at an ATM to reset the PIN, though this might not work if the card is fully locked. Visit a branch. If you're near a branch, visiting in person can often expedite the process. Replacement card. If your card remains locked, you might need to request a replacement card. Keep in mind that a new card won't change your existing PIN, so ensure you still have access to it. Alternative payment methods. While waiting for your issue to be resolved, consider using cash or other cards to avoid inconvenience. Always store your PIN securely to prevent repeated lockouts, and if traveling, have alternative means of accessing funds in case of a locked card. That's it. Thanks.